warm welcome to His Excellency, Mr. Jawed Ashraf, High Commissioner of India to Singapore, to our campus today to be a part of this project.
The students of the Smart Campus will today help assemble the solar Urja lamp for the benefit of their brethren, which will bring a brilliant idea to fruition as well as teach them the value of giving back to the society.
These are all extremely important for our society. You know, the reason we believe that we have a better future for the planet after all that has happened over the past 300 years is because I think you, as youngsters who will lead us in the future, and we're all old and gone, and you will be responsible for this world.
Where is your plan? Yeah. See, your student solar ambassadors. We should get it. We'll get it across to school.
So it looks like a very fun activity.
Yeah, it is, no?
Yeah.
It is. And maybe you can take some kids home and get everyone else to do it.